Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the accounts and permissions you need. Sign into Microsoft Teams with an account that can access the Outlook/Exchange calendar. Make sure calendar publishing or sharing is enabled. Then sign into Google Calendar in another tab and keep both windows handy. Once done, export or locate the calendar share link in Outlook Web. You'll use that link to connect Google. Make sure you're using the web clients for these first steps, because they expose the necessary sharing control. Now you copy the calendar feed and add it to Google. In Outlook Web, open Calendar, select Share or Publish Calendar, then copy the ICS link. Choose Full Details if available. Switch to Google Calendar settings, select Add Calendar, then from URL, paste the ICS link, and add it. You'll see the calendar appear as a subscribed calendar in Google. Make sure to understand that Google pulls ICS feeds on its own schedule, so updates may not be instant, but will sync over time. Finish by verifying that events and correct time zones appear in Google Calendar. If items are missing or stale, first recopy the ICS link from Outlook and re-add it. Make sure the calendar was published with full details and that sharing permissions haven't changed. Clear browser cache or try an incognito window to rule out local issues. If you need two-way sync between Teams/Outlook and Google, consider a trusted third-party connector, because the ICS method is read-only from Google's side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.